Okay, so this will be part 4, and what I've done here is I went ahead and put the grill on here last night. It's going to be this color here. This is kind of dirty here, so I took the good part. This is a used one, but yeah, it looks pretty good. It'll look pretty good in here. And then what I did with this, I just touched it up with some stain and then sprayed it with some clear coat so that it would shine a little more. So yeah, and there's the top over here. So it's gonna look pretty good when it's all done. So yeah, I did spray the buttons with some clear stuff. See how nice and shiny they look, like brand new. Okay, I mean it's not perfect, but I was trying to keep it original. And yeah, still gotta take this off. Take the paper off. Let's do that on camera. Why not? Right? Hold on. If I can grab it. There we go. Oh, oh. There it is. Like new. All right, so let me start putting it together and then we'll show you the end result here. I'm still waiting on that cartridge. Should be here in the next few days. Hopefully it's coming from New Jersey, so once it gets here we'll install it and try it. Okay, we're gonna do a test run only because I can and I like to do stuff like this. I got a piezo element right there. I've got tape on it because it creates humming. It's already got humming because I'm not really grounded with these clamps and stuff, but I wanted to check the speed. Now the sound's not great because it is a stupid little element. I'm gonna grab it real quick. Okay. Let's see if I can show you the speed here. So yeah. So I think the speed is good. All right, let's wait on the cartridge and then we'll do some more testing. All right, so that's my experiment for the minute. Next video hopefully will be with the new cartridge and it'll sound much better. Oh, if I can find the knob here. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, let's wait on the cartridge. Okay, it's finally here. Got it today. Let's see. Oh, I want to show you this other side. Oh, I want to show you this side. Nope, I want to show you this side. All right, there it is. It's for 78 RPM only. The 3mm 78 needle. It's in there somewhere. There it is. It'll mount pretty much exactly where these 2 screws are. Yeah, and then underneath here somewhere are the connectors. If you probably can, I know you can't see it. Okay. All right, let me mount this puppy and we'll give it a shot. I haven't even opened it yet, but I got to solder the wires and mount it and then we'll give it a try. All right. Okay, I just did a quick test to make sure it is working. All right, so it mounts right up, which is nice. And like I say, that cartridge is not easy to get, so good luck in getting one. You can get the 2, which is a combination 45 and 78, but if you can get the 3mm, that's better. All right, let's put it together and try it. Can't wait. Okay, it's on video. Okay, let me close this. The only thing is when I start it, it won't start at the beginning. I think I can probably adjust that, but I'll just adjust that a little later. But right now. Why do I cry, darling? Thrill me, shy as I'd normally be. Okay, let me do some adjustments, put it back together, and we'll try it one more time. Okay, so what I did is I took this rubber off of there, okay? It was too thick. And I put this heat shrink piece of material right there, and it seems to start at the beginning every single time.
Mama, teach me to dance.
Try it again. Okay, I'm going to put it together and we'll give it one last test. All right, so this is it. It's finished. Yeah, let's try it. I got a different record this time because I'm sure you got tired of the same record. So let's try it, see if it does work like it should. It's crazy. Here we go.
Now, me and my wife and my brother Joe took off in a Ford from Kokomo. We hadn't much gas and the tires were low, but that doggone Ford could really go. Now, along about in the middle of the night, we were ripping along like rich folks might when a Mercury behind me blinked his lights, honked his horn, and he pulled out of sight. Well, he had twin parts in that blunderbuss. People might think that I'm in a rut. For you folks that don't dig this kind of jive, it's 2 carburetors and an overdrive. We made grease spots out of many a town, left the cops' heads.
Let's try the other side because we can, and this will be the last time. Then we'll call it good. This was part 4, and this is the end of part 4. Let's try this one.
Oh, your poison love has stained the life blood in my heart and soul, dear. And I know my life will never be the same. Oh, my pleas have all been in vain for you and you alone, dear. And you know that you are guilty of the shame. Into each life a love is born by one and one alone, dear. The love I chose was surely not for me.
All right, that's it. It's done. I can put all my junk away, and yeah, that was a project and a half. If you have any questions, any thoughts, any comments, don't forget to ask. Don't be afraid to ask. Yeah, it wasn't too bad, but we got her done. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you again on our next project. I don't know if I'm going to sell this or not. I don't know. I'll either keep it for a while. Who knows? All right, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.